Because animals travel, and some move great distances, you might assume that we'll need massive reserves to maximize protection. Scientists, however, think that networks of smaller reserves would also work.
A network is a collection of marine reserves that are connected by individuals moving between them. And these connections can occur either by adults moving from one reserve to the next, or more commonly by the movement of young.
For example, consider a proposed network within the Channel Islands National Marine Sanctuary off the coast of Southern California. The waters here harbor a rich diversity of species. The young of some of these animals, such as sponges, tunicates, snails, and even a few species of fish, travel short distances and settle virtually in the same place. But the larvae of most organisms, such as crabs, sea urchins, and most rockfishes, may travel a long way from their origin. According to the network theory, if small reserves are created around the Channel Islands, and they are placed within 10 to 50 kilometers of each other along prevailing ocean currents, they should function as a network, connected by drifting larvae. To protect a great diversity of life, networks should include a portion of many habitats. And in the Channel Islands, that means setting aside parts of kelp forest, sandy bottoms, and rocky reefs. Because networks are constructed from portions of habitats and rely on larval drift, they can be configured in many different ways.
One important finding about marine reserve design is that there's no single best solution, that many different network configurations often will achieve similar conservation and fisheries goals. And this provides then a lot of options for choices of locations and sizes and spacing of reserves.
I think that the choices involved in networking reserves was something that was very positively received, in particular from those people that make a living out there, because it became somewhat of a bargaining chip.
As we hold our meetings, as the California Fish and Game Department holds their meetings, they listen to the public. The public has an input into what decisions are being made.